It's delicious.
I want a bite.
No. So we are here at the Parliament Building in Budapest, right on the river.
And make sure to book your tickets online because they sell out.
Yeah, go to the north side, and that's where we're gonna meet up with our tour. Visitor center down the stairs. You need a printed ticket, that's required. If you haven't printed your ticket, you can go over to the ticket booth over there and have them print it. So if you have to print your ticket, make sure you get here a little bit early because this line might be long. Also, the time on your ticket is the time that they let you through security. This right here with the line is where you need to be at your timed ticket time. Everybody who has your ticket time will all go through security together, pick up your headset, and then you go with the tour together. That's the golden staircase. You can take the elevator if you want. The stained glass and all the handiwork in here is really amazing. This is the grand staircase behind me. On this side is the dome. We're not allowed to film over there. So behind me was the crown jewel room with the dome. This is a salon, just a waiting room. And we got really cool decorated caricatures of the common public. These are brass cigar holders because we weren't allowed to smoke inside the House of Representatives. The tour empties out into this little museum, which has a scale model of the entire Parliament building. Lots of interesting facts about the history of Budapest. Timeline here of all the cool buildings and interesting things that have happened around Budapest. So there's the grand staircase. This leads up to the dome where the crown is hanging out. That's the part we couldn't film, so that's what you get. The chandelier is 2 tons. We change the lights from above. And then there's 30 meters to the outside dome. So this star used to be on top of the dome. See a picture of it right here. You sign in the guest book. Hey!
Hey! It's loud.
It's loud, but it was awesome.
The tour was great.
You should go on that tour.
Yeah, it was. They don't take you very far, as in like, you don't see a lot of it. It's a big building and you only see a small fraction, but it's really beautiful and a lot of good information.
But what we hear is that it's a duplicate. It's like a mirror image on both sides. So technically, you only need to see half the building to see the whole thing. And we saw a little bit less than half the building.
So pretty inside, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay?
It's such a pretty building. Sadly, during the Holocaust, they would line Jews up along the river here and then have them take their shoes off and then shoot them, and they would fall into the river. The shoes would be left here and the river would just take them away. So all of these shoes here are a reminder that that happened. So we're here at Hungarikum Bistro. They're so nice and they brought Kai toys. How great is that? Say thank you. They keep bringing out free stuff. Like this is homemade bread with sour cream and
Garlic, onion, and bacon.
And then a selection of paprika. These are all spicy. And then a drawer of bread. We got some pork with garlic potatoes, I think.
Crispy duck leg, garlic potatoes, and cabbage.
And we'll share these with Kai. You guys? This is fantastic. Definitely come to this place. Pork is tender, the potatoes are cooked perfectly. This whole thing is fantastic. What do you think?
Really good.
That was amazing. Last bites?
Last bite.
So full.
Myself. It's so good.
So we are headed across the chain bridge now. Interesting fact, this bridge's official name is the Széchenyi Chain Bridge, which is the same name as the baths, Széchenyi Baths up in City Park. Széchenyi was...
Same guy!
Who is it?
It's the same guy.
Who is it though?
Oh, I don't remember.
Esteban Széchenyi is the greatest Hungarian. He was a statesman, a poet, a writer. So you'll see Széchenyi, his last name, on a couple of different things around the city. So there's a couple ways to get up on top of Buda Hill. You can take the funicular here, which at the moment is 1,200 Hungarian forint. It's about $4 US. Or you can go up the hill. It's only about 60 meters from here to the top, so it's not that bad of a walk, and it zigzags through the park. So we're gonna take that. Follow this brick wall right up to that entrance there. This will put you up into the park. And it's just trees and grass and nice. This trail leads to one of the bridges going across the funicular. Look, there's me. I'm on top of the funicular. You ready to hit these stairs?
Expansion.
So this is Buda Castle. It houses two museums, the National Gallery and the Budapest History Museum. So we're actually not going to go into either one, but you can if you want to. We're just here to see the outside of the building. Margaret Island, Parliament Building, Chain Bridge, and St. Stephen's Basilica. This is why it takes us a long time to get places. So we're up on top of Buda Hill now. Looks like we've got some ruins. I'm heading over to the other side to see the view that way. Nice. So you can see the spire poking out over the roof there. That's from Matthias Church, and that's where we're headed. How decorative the roof is. Such a pretty church.
This is so cool. Kai likes it.
He loves yelling in quiet spaces. This window is cool. It's like off center as it comes out.
Amazing. Like every part of it is painted. Like every wall, every ceiling, every little bit is painted. And it's not just like what you normally see at a church either. It's a little bit different. I don't know. It's like really unique.
Floors, the columns, the walls, the ceiling, everything is painted so pretty and decorated, so nice. We can go upstairs. Staircase. That's on your Harry's. So we're at the first level. Seriously, this is something else. Whoa, we can get so close to the altar? Right up here on the organ, and there's another flight of stairs. So let's take it. Even the back side of the windows are painted.
facade of Parliament where we were not allowed to film.
There's some roof tiles. This upper deck is so cool because you get to be so close to these frescoes and paintings. And back down. I could seriously just keep filming everything in here because I think every little piece of it is so pretty and intricate and amazing. So definitely come in here and check this out if you're in Budapest. Man, that is a hard building to leave. You just want to keep checking out every nook and cranny because it is so pretty. But we're gonna go check out the Fisherman's Bastion now. So this cool wall here is Fisherman's Bastion. The bottom part's free all the time, but you can go up to the top for 1,000 florin, which is like $3 right now, so that's what we're gonna do. Kai loves stairs, which is why we got the top level.
This was a good idea.
Yeah. Once the tour groups go through, it's pretty open. Just a wall full of Instagram posts. See, the top level is a lot less crowded. So when they were building the church here, they needed a structural support wall because it's on a hill. And so they built Fisherman's Bastion as that wall. So it's always meant to be decorative. It was never a fortress.
It was built for Instagram. So don't feel bad. No shame.
Get all the pics. But if you want your Instagram shots without any people in them, definitely show up early in the morning or late at night. This part is just open to everybody. No ticket needed. Because the cafe is up here. Cannot get over this church. Another interesting fact is that everything here west of the river is Buda, and everything on that side east of the river is Pest. And so together, both sides of the river is Budapest.
Okay, so we're at a place called Ruszwurm Bakery. It's right across the street from the church, like a 2-minute walk, and we have a lemon cake and a cream puff.
Oh yeah. How is it?
Really lemony, it's good. It's almost like cheesecake, but it's not as sweet, and the texture's a little different.
So it is very creamy, very puffy. So light, so airy. That is so good. All right, well that's it from Budapest. We're headed to Madrid this afternoon, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see videos from over there. Otherwise, check out these videos from here in Budapest and have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye.